Value education, be valued live sporty. Welcome to Reference Frame, a lighthouse of mathematics.
Hello boys, what is up? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, today by the grace of Almighty Allah, inshallah, we are going to solve word problem for simple simultaneous equation. That means this is exercise 6.2 of your textbook for grade 8. Okay, so without wasting time, let's move into problem solving. So there we are, as you can see in the screen. So look here what is given. Of two numbers, sum of thrice of the first and 4 times of the second is 14. But the difference of thrice of the second from the 4 times of the first is 2. In question A, we are asked to form two equations with two variables from the stimulus. Stimulus means from the given stem or question. Okay, that means from this part that you can see. Okay, let us consider the first number x and the second number y. Okay, since the first number is x and the second number is y, as you can see, so look here, thrice of the first, that means thrice x, and 4 times of the second, that means 4y, and their sum will be 14. As you can see in the first equation, thrice x plus 4y is equals to 14 again, but the difference of thrice of the second, this time thrice of the second from the 4 times of the first, that means look, thrice of the second from the 4 times of the first. As you can see, this is thrice of the second from the 4 times of the first is equals to 2. So this is our required one that we are asked to find to form two equations. Now look at question 2, what we are asked to do. In question 2, we are asked to find the numbers, determine the numbers by solving the formed equation by the method of substitution. Okay, by the method of substitution. So look, what are you gonna have from these two equations? Okay, look, from equation 2 we're gonna have 4x is equals to thrice y plus 2, or x is equals to, when you're gonna change 4 on the right side, so this is gonna be thrice y plus 2 divided by 4. Now all you need to do, since we got this on from the second equation, we just need to put it down into the first equation, and putting down this one into the first equation we can find the value of y. Okay, let us move. Now putting down this one into the first equation, we have a situation like this. As you can see here, we have a situation okay, we're just putting down the value of this one, value of x into the first equation to get, putting the value of x into 1, we get 3 into, look, 3 into an x, the value of x is thrice y plus 2 divided by 4, and plus 4y as it is. On the right side we have 14 as it is. Now all you need to do, we just solve it to find the value of y. Okay, let us go for solving. This time we're gonna take LCM. So by taking LCM, what are you gonna have? Look here, 3 into thrice y means 9y, 3 into 2, that means 6, and here 4 is the LCM for this term, and that term. So here 4 4s are 16y. Okay, there you can see in the screen 9y from 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, plus 16y from LCM is equals to 14, remain as it is. Now we just need to do step by step to find the value of y. So look here, what we are going to have, as you can see. So look here ultimately 9y plus 16y is equals to 25y, okay, plus 6. Now 25y is equals to 56 minus 6. 56 minus 6, basically this is 50 if I write it down here. Okay, this is basically 50. So look here, therefore 25, if we shift 25 on the right hand side, what do you get? 50 divided by 25. So 50 divided by 25, that gives us the result y is equals to 2. So this is one of the numbers that we are actually find. That means we have already found y. All we need to do, we just need to find out the value of x now. Now we will put down the value of y into equation 3. Why will put it down into equation 3? Because look, if we put it down into equation 3, we get the value of x directly. Okay, so let's put it down. When you're going to put it down, so x gonna be 3 into, look, 2. This is the value of y, 2 is the value of y. So plus 2. So this is gonna be 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 divided by 4, here 2. That is, this is our required numbers, where x is 2 and y is 2 as well. That is both of the numbers values 2. Okay, now in question C, we are asked to cross-check the result obtained in B by the method of elimination. That means we are asked to check in C, we were asked to solve these two equations, that means equation 1 and 2, by the method of elimination, and after that if the two results obtained in B and results obtained in C are same, so our math is done. Okay, so let us move for the part C. So before moving into part C, look, since we are asked to instructed to follow the method of elimination, so first we need to focus on the variable what you need to eliminate. Look here y are already with different sign, so we are focusing to eliminate y. So here the coefficient of y in the first equation is 4 and then the second equation is 3. So we multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 2. Okay, let's, what are you gonna get by multiplying that one? So by multiplying equation 1 with 3 and equation 2 with 4, we get 9x plus 12y, because 3 is a 9x, 3 4s are 12 is equals to 3 14s are 42, and this one with 4 4s are 16x minus 4 3s are 12x, 4 2s are 8, as you can see in the screen. Now we just need to calculate it. So by calculating, what are you gonna get? So as you can see in the screen, look boys, this is minus 12y, so I marked it with red, and this is plus 12y. Since they are with opposite sign, they will omit each other, and finally what do you get? 9x plus 16x is equals to 25x, and 42 plus 8 is gonna be 50. Okay, that you can see in the screen, 25x is equals to 50, therefore x is equals to 2, because 50 divided by 25 gives us the result x is equals to 2. Now all we need to do, we just need to put down the value of x. So why do we put down the value of x to get the value of y? We will put it down into equation 1, because in equation 2 there is a minus sign before the variable y. So here we need to do more steps, rather than we'll put it down into equation 1 directly. Okay, let's move to put it down. So putting it down into equation 1, we're gonna have, as you can see, I'm just writing it down. Look, putting down the value of x into 1, we're gonna have 3 into 2 plus 4y is equals to 14. Now look, 3 2s are 6. If we move 6 on the right side, that's gonna be minus. So 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 means basically 8. So 4y finally we're gonna have 4y is equals to, look, 4y is equals to 14 minus 6, that means 4y is equals to 8, therefore y is equals to 2. Now just match with the result obtained in B. Look, in B we got the value of x is equals to 2 and value of y is equals to 2 as well. Since also in C, sorry, this is C basically. So here the value gonna be the same in both cases. Now we're gonna solve another problem. Okay, let us move for solving that one. Okay, I'm gonna omitting this part since we are going to solve another problem. So move into that problem. Okay, this time we are going to solve problem number 4. So first of all, come on. So look at the question. A person has a collection of 2 taka and 5 taka coins. That means he has 2 types of coins. One is 2 taka coins and another type is 5 taka coins. Altogether he has 500 taka. How many? 500 taka and 148 coins. So we are asked to form 2 equations. Okay, so look here, if I have 1 coin of 2 taka, I have in total 2 taka. If I have 2 coin of 2 taka, in total 2 to the 4 taka. If I have 5 coin of 2 taka, in total 5 to the 10 taka. Similarly for 5 taka, they will just be the multiple. Okay, so let the number of 2 taka coins is equals to x and number of 1 taka coins is equals to y. Okay, so look, number of 2 taka coins is equals to x and number of 5 taka coins is equals to y. So accordingly, for x coins, total x number of coins and 2 taka, here we get twice x taka in total, and for 5 taka coins in total y coins, so we have the money in total for 5 taka coins 5y taka. So accordingly we have, look, 500 taka, that means twice x plus 5y, that gonna be 500, and as we have in total 148 coins, that means x plus y, that gonna be 148. Okay, now I'm just gonna writing it down. Look, twice x plus 5y is equals to 500, which is equation 1, and x plus y, because total number of coins is equals to 148. So this is our first question based on the stimulus. So solve this. Now in B, determine the number of coins of taka 2 and 5. That means we are asked to find the number of coins of taka 5 and 2 based on what? Based on the stimulus by the method of elimination. Okay, let us move into B. So look, since we need to follow elimination method here, both of them are with same sign. So this time we are focusing to eliminate x. Okay, so we need to multiply. Look here, the coefficient in the first equation of x is 2, but in the second equation that is 1. So all you need to do is multiply the second equation by 2 and the first equation by 1, and then we need to subtract because they are with similar sign. Okay, let us move to do that. Okay, so look, equation 1 gives us what? Here we get twice x plus 5y is equals to 500 by multiplying equation 1 with 1, and by multiplying equation 2 with 2 we have twice x plus twice y is equals to 140. So this time that we need to do, we need to here all you need to do, we need to change the side. So as you can see here, the sign will be changed since we are doing minus. So here twice x, look, I'm just marking it with red. Twice x and minus twice x, they will omit each other. So finally what do we have on the left side? Thrice y, and on the right side 204. Okay, so let's get it. What are you gonna get? So twice y, thrice y is equals to 204. Therefore y is equals to what? Therefore y is equals to 68. Now we know that we have found that the total number of coins of total number of 5 taka coins is 68. That means we have 68 5 taka coins, and we are asked to, now all you need to do, we need to find out the value of x. That means total number of coins of 2 taka. So here we just put down the value of y into equation 1 and we get our desired one. Okay, so let's put it down. By putting it down, we're gonna have here x is equals to y is equals to 68. So we just put it down. So since we put it down 68, we just move it on the right side to 148. If I show you another line, if I show you another line, so this is gonna be basically 148 minus 68. So 148 minus 68 is equals to basically 80. Okay, so we have done with it. So boys, now for problem C, you can see that the ratio of 2 taka coins and 5 taka coins is 5:3 for 500 taka. That means here the total amount is 500 as well. Then find the number of coins by the method of substitution. So look, since we have 500 taka in total as well, just like in a stem or a stimulus, so again from 1 we can pick this equation, okay, from a. Okay, now here the ratio of 2 taka coins and 5 taka coins are given, which is 5:3. So we can relate them. Since there are 2 taka coins is x and 5 taka coins is y, we can relate them like this: x ratio y is equals to 5:3. So x by y is equals to 5/3 in the fractional form. Therefore x is equals to 5/3 into y. Now all we need to do, we just need to find out the value of y and x. So if we put down this value of x into equation 1, then we will get the value of y. Okay, so let's put it down into equation 1, and by putting it down, what are you gonna have? Look, by putting it down, we have a situation like, okay, put down the value. Now look, by putting down the value, we have a situation like this. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so 5/3 into y, this is basically the value of x. Now we move into our next portion. We just simplify the left hand side. So here 2 into 5 10y, 2 into 5 10, 10 into y 10y, and 3 on the denominator. So here we can take LCM for this two term. The LCM on the left hand side gonna be 3. Okay, let's take LCM. So by taking LCM, we're gonna have, okay, as you can see, by taking LCM, we have, look, 10y plus 15y by 3 is equals to 500. Therefore look, 10y plus 15y, basically 25y divided by 3 is equals to 500. Now all I need to do, we just need to find out the value of y. So we will shift 25 and 3 on the right hand side, so they will be reciprocal on the right hand side. That means 3 will be on the numerator and 25 will be on the denominator, as you learned in the earlier tutorials. Okay, so let's just put down their value, and by putting down their value, we're gonna have, sorry, by putting down their value, okay, we have y is equals to 60. That means we found the number of coins of 5 taka. We have 60 coins of 5 taka, so it occurs, or it gives us 300. 60 into 5, that gives us 300 taka in total. Now all we need to do, we need to find out the value of the number of coins of 2 taka. Okay, so put down the value of or from 2 by putting down this value into 2. What are you gonna get? Look, if we put down this value into 2, we're gonna have now what is the value of y? The value of y is 60. Okay, so all we need to do, we just need to simplify this one. So look, by simplifying this one, we're gonna have so 3 is gonna be basically 5 into 20, because dividing 60 with 3 we have 20. Therefore x gonna be what? Therefore x gonna be 100. That means we have 100 coins. We have 100 coins of 2 taka. So now look, if we just cross check 100 coins of 2 taka, this gives you 200 taka, and 60 coins of 60 coins of 5 taka, that gives you 300 taka. In total you have 500 taka, as far as it mentioned in the question C. So I hope you understand the portion, boys. So that is all for today. Hope you really understand today's tutorial. Inshallah, we're gonna go through some more problem solving tutorial related to word problem and graphical solution of the simple simultaneous equation. So please just keep me in your prayers and stay with me. Okay, please stay home, stay safe until the further instruction by the government. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Share your idea to build a happy Bangladesh.